Alright guys, welcome back. We are in Marathon, the Florida Keys. It's late or early March, and today what we're going to do, we're going to see how many lobsters we can catch today. And then we're going to cook it up. We're going to do lobster tacos today. So we'll see how we do. It's a beautiful, beautiful day in the Florida Keys. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back with the lobsters. We're gonna make some lobster tacos with some lime, aioli, cilantro, mayo. So first we're going to actually make the salsa, the mango salsa first. So peel the mango here, make our mango salsa first. And then we're just going to chop this up, cube it up. Alright, so next I'm going to chop up this jalapeno. I'm gonna take the seeds out of it so it's not too spicy.
Alright, not bad there.
Okay, jalapeno, check. Now we want to do red bell pepper. Okay, onion. Alright, cilantro. Lime juice. So this is the salsa?
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to take these lobsters out of the tail. The tail out of the shell. I don't know why the meats are different colors sometimes. Like sometimes they're more orange and some are more clear. Alright, watch this. Whoa! Whoa! Ah.
Yeah, I don't see him do this shit at his house.
Lobster juice everywhere. I'm leaving that in. He said I'm leaving that in. Alright. Salsa.
I was watching in real life.
A little bit of lettuce. Alright, here we go. How's your doing? Very good. Make yourself one.
It's got a good amount of heat to it. You like it thick.
Oh, he.
The jalapenos give it a little heat.
Lobster's fantastic.
It is, isn't it? All right.
Alright,
Till next time.
thanks folks.